What is going on, everyone? Jojo here, and welcome back to PlayStation Nation. And if you're all new to the channel, welcome. How you all doing? So anyway, I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded. You know, I think it's been nearly about 3 weeks. You know, but it's a little bit hard. You know, I'm really sorry, guys. But you know, when you're not working, we can't work. You know, so it's a little bit hard. Donatella, what are you doing here? What's that? You got something for me to unbox today. What's that, mate? What's this? What's that? The January Gaming Loot Crate. Mad science. Yeah. All right. Thanks, Donatello. Okay then. So, I'm going to do an unboxing video. First one in a while. All right. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Alright, mad science. We have got a Resident Evil 7 t-shirt. Oh, cool. Right, Resident Evil. Pretty nifty. Okay. And mad science, it's Portal, so I can make my own companion cube. So to unfold and flatten, flip and refold, ta-da, your own companion cube. Okay. So mad science, we've got the mad science pin. Pretty cool, that one. Yeah, little brain. Yeah, cool. Psychonauts. What the fuck is that? Oh wow! A little couple of pairs of goggles. Whoa! I don't know if I'm upside down yet. I had them on upside down. Wow! This must be what like Cyclops sees when he's in the X-Men. Okay. All right. So next. It's a bit hard to see out of there. What's this? Oh wow, little tie. Ah, it's a Portal cube tie. Look at that. Beautiful. That'll be one of my suits. Cool. Alright. Last thing. Oh, it's Mega Man. Alright. Oh wow, look at that. It's this little helmet. No, that's a bit small for me. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Ah, pretty nifty, isn't it? Alright, and the poster. Let's see what's in the poster. Cool. And science. Whoa. Pretty nifty, isn't it? Really uncomfortable there. Alright, so anyway, on that side we got the Mega Man Proto helmet, a Portal companion cube necktie, Resident Evil t-shirt, the Mad Science coin pin, thank you for participating in this experiment. Psychonaut goggles. 3 lucky winners get to win the Portal cube like gun thing and the HTC Vive headset. So awesome. Okay, so that's everything in the Mad Science crate. Oh, I don't like these. Alright, so anyway, if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and tell your friends, tell your family, tell your co-workers, subscribe to PlayStation Nation, help me reach the goal of 100,000 subscribers. That's where I'm trying to get to. You know, I don't do it for the money, I just want the little silver play button. So anyway, hope you all had a great day. I'll upload when I can. So anyway, keep on gaming, people. Peace.